Why are you recording that? Dude, look at this. Look at this. This is great. Shelby, and my mother, and Miles, and Brad, and Mark, and Jake. And that's my hand. And that's Shelby Dill. Wait.
Shelby McDonald, boys and girls.
That was really loud.
No.
And then, ready? Okay, no, Shelby, come back. We're going to do a puppet show with our farm people. Right. Jake. Hello. I'm Jake Laser. Hello, I'm Jim McDonough. I'm Jim McDonough. I'm Jake Laser. I look like a monkey.
Nice to meet you.
Don't forget to vote. Hitler.
Get away from there, Hitler.
Get away, Hitler. You're not welcome. You're
Oh,
dead.
and then there's Miles.
Hello, I'm Miles. Rawr, rawr, rawr. I'm different. Wait. Mark. Yo, I'm Mark. Hi, Jim McDonough. Where the hell are you? Hi, Jim McDonough. Best friends.
We are.